Hi, this is Ayako Sekiguchi from Wellness Kitchen. Are you feeling eye fatigue or brain fog? This time, with just 2 ingredients, you can refresh both your eyes and your brain. I'll introduce you to a simple dessert that's eye-opening. And you don't even need a knife or a blender. All you need is 1 storage bag. It only takes 2 minutes to prepare, and it's super easy, so please watch until the end. The ingredients are 2 bananas and 1 cup of blueberries. This time, I'm using frozen ones, but of course, fresh ones are fine too. If you're using frozen ones, it's easier to mash them if you let them thaw halfway. Please use bananas that are as ripe as possible. We're not using any sweeteners this time, so I want to make it delicious with just the sweetness of the bananas. Now, let's get started. Prepare a freezer bag. Add the bananas and blueberries. These are large bananas. And then add the blueberries. Please mash everything together. You don't need a blender or a knife anymore. It's really easy. If you just took the blueberries out of the freezer, you can't mash them by hand immediately, so it's best to wait until they thaw a bit and soften. If you leave a little bit of the texture throughout, I think it gives a nice mouthfeel and tastes delicious. Please adjust how much you mash them to your liking. Let a little air out and seal it tightly, and then smooth out the whole thing. Put it in the freezer like this and let it chill and set for a day. Please let me announce my new book. It's an eating method that provides nutrition even with a small appetite. This book is packed with tips for people who feel their appetite has decreased, so they can get proper nutrition without difficulty. It offers advice on maintaining nutrition and avoiding nutrient loss. It's packed with cooking tips and ways to make daily meals better. Stay active easily as long as you want. Please be sure to gain the wisdom of eating to achieve a healthy body. It's also recommended for anyone worried about irregular eating habits. It releases October 2nd and is now available for Amazon pre-order. Please be sure to check the description box. Yes, it's something that's been chilled and set. It's already completely firm, so all you have to do now is knead and loosen it with your hands. If your hands feel a bit cold, you can use something like this, like a pestle or even a rolling pin. Just use some kind of tool to break it up. Yes, it's now at a firmness where you can break it apart with your hands like this. Yes. Yes, the blueberry ice cream is done. I'd like to tell you how it tastes. Please excuse me for standing. There's no sugar or anything extra in it at all, just 2 ingredients. Let's eat. This is really delicious. There's no sugar or anything added though. The natural, gentle sweetness of the fully ripe banana is more than enough to satisfy me. And the refreshing tartness of the blueberries really comes through too. But since it also has the richness of banana, it's a much more satisfying ice cream than a sorbet. There are also 5 wonderful benefits, so please enjoy it while experiencing those effects. This simple combination is amazing. It holds incredible power. Let me share 5 secrets with you. First, it resets eye fatigue. Blueberries are packed with it. Anthocyanin, the purple pigment, helps the function of the retina in your eyes. It helps relieve eye fatigue, which is great for anyone with worsening vision or eyes tired from smartphones or computers. Second, it fights aging with antioxidants. Blueberries, and especially ripe bananas, are high in anthocyanin. Camphorol and vitamin C are potent antioxidants. They prevent the body from rusting and block aging of the brain and body. Third, serotonin relaxes the brain. Bananas have ingredients that turn into serotonin, the happiness hormone. They contain tryptophan and vitamin B6. Serotonin is a substance that stabilizes your mood and enhances relaxation. Fourth, dietary fiber helps regulate your gut environment. Bananas contain a lot of oligosaccharides and resistant starch, while blueberries are rich in dietary fiber. By improving your gut environment, it helps maintain healthy skin and overall wellness. Fifth, For brain energy, bananas contain glucose, which serves as a source of energy for the brain and helps support its function. This recipe is full of wonderful benefits, so please give it a try. With only 2 ingredients, you get many great benefits. I introduced a lot of ice cream recipes, so please let me know your thoughts in the comments if you try making them. If you don't like cold foods, the effects won't change, so please enjoy it without freezing. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I'm also looking forward to your comments. Well then, let's meet again in another video.